Lesson 8.6, Pythagorean theorem. Use it to find the missing side lengths of triangles. There's all your vocab. Go ahead and pause it if you need to write it down. It'll be on the internet later. You guys don't need, we already did write that down. Okay? You pick up a ground ball at first base. For those of you that don't know baseball, that's where my pink dot is. You see the other team's player running towards third base. So he's running down this line between second and third. How far do you have to throw the ball to get it from first base to third base, boom, to throw out a runner? Using the Pythagorean theorem to find the blue line. Okay, we have the two legs, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c squared is the hypotenuse. That's what we're looking for. So, a and b, as I said, are 90 and 90. Those are these two sides right here, third baseline and first baseline. And we're solving for c squared. And now it's time to get crazy solving for c squared. Okay. This is 8,100 plus 8,100 equals c squared. Can I add those two 8,100s? Yes, and I get 16,200 equals c squared. At this point, we take the square root, because you take a square root to get rid of a squared, and the square root of 16,200 is what, Sarah? 127.3, and it would be feet, okay, which is the length of your throw from third to first base. Front door, window is up top. We know that this distance is 25 feet along the front door up to the window. We also says you have a bush down here, so you have to come out with the ladder 10 feet. Okay? So this is 10. You're coming out here with the ladder 10 feet, and then the ladder is going to go like this. I'm assuming that that's the right angle right there, because most houses are. All right, the two legs are 25 and 10. They meet at the right angle. So simply we've got 25 squared plus 10 squared equals our ladder, which is the hypotenuse, squared. 25 squared is what? Square them, you get 625 plus 100, which is 725. And then what do I do with 725 to get C? You square root it. And what is the square root of 725?
It is 26.9. So 27.
26.9 feet. We'll go to the nearest tenth. Boom, there's your answer. Okay, now I need to erase while I'm still doing this. Otherwise, it'll stay on the next one. So 26.9, and now I erase. So I hope you got that written down. If you're looking on at home, just hit the rewind button. For number 3, plug it into the quadratic formula. 11 squared plus 20 squared equals 23 squared. We're going to find out if that is true. Again, the longest side must be C. It's got to be the hypotenuse. 11 squared is 121. 20 squared is 400. Can someone please tell me what 23 squared is? 121 plus 400 is 521. 521 does not equal 529. So we're going to say no. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. Okay? No. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Well, I know that 5 squared is 25, and 12 squared is 144. So 25 plus 144 does equal 169. So you'd say, yes, that is a Pythag.